We are Kalpataru Rail, a business vertical of Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited, a Kalpataru Group company. KPTL's success story is built upon a strong value system encompassing business ethics, customer centricity, an unwavering commitment to quality, mutual respect, a sense of organizational pride, and the collaborative power of teamwork. This has resulted in KPTL expanding its footprint across more than 50 countries, spanning 5 continents since its inception 5 decades ago.
Our vision is to become the global leader in EPC business across all verticals, which we will achieve by leveraging our strengths: quality execution, engineering expertise, automation, diversified portfolio, project management skills. At the heart of our effort is a strong talent pool, our workmen, our engineers and our managers, enabled by our professional culture of strong ethics, proactive engagement and customer centricity.
Achieving leadership across its various business verticals comprising real estate, power transmission, oil and gas infrastructure, power generation and logistics, the company diversified into the field of railway infrastructure in 2010. In less than a decade, the railway division built up a portfolio spanning over 4,000 kilometers of railway projects valued at more than $800 million. The railway division has a dominant presence across India, backed by ambitious growth and expansion plans aimed at foraying into international market for railway infrastructure projects. The capabilities of KPTL's railway division include design services, procurement, construction of civil works, track works, signalling and telecommunication, and railway electrification. The key strengths of this division emanate from its competencies in handling composite railway projects, bridges, tunnels, roadbeds and embankments, railway stations and platforms, overhead electrification, traction substations and switching stations. A significant point of differentiation in the railway division's capabilities lies in its design services, spanning signalling and telecom design, civil design, overhead electrification design, and design of power systems, all of which constitute critical parameters in every railway infrastructure project. An in-house design team of over 100 designers working in unison forms the backbone of these services. Based on this key strength, the company has been able to successfully execute complex EPC projects. Beyond technological expertise and technical competence, it needs enormous grit and determination to take on the formidable challenges faced by the railway division. Difficult terrain, inhospitable weather conditions, seemingly impossible deadlines, and unpredictable obstacles. And yet, project by project, KPTL creates new benchmarks. All these strengths, capabilities and competencies have enabled KPTL's railway division to expand beyond the borders of India to several global locations. The domain expertise, knowledge base and talent pool accumulated by KPTL's railway division has enabled it to work with mega clients who represent the acme of India's rail and urban transportation sector.
We have our vision to become the largest EPC railway company in India for the railway sector, then the largest division of the Kalpataru, establish the railway business in 5 more countries in next 3 years' time and 10 more countries in next 5 years' time. We also want to be the most preferred EPC contractor for all our clients by timely delivery, quality delivery.
As a responsible corporate citizen, KPTL has a strong social outreach program touching the lives of people in various project zones through healthcare and community development initiatives. KPTL's Railway Division, a high-speed enterprise, racing along the fast track towards an enriching future, spurred on by the power of technology, the force of knowledge, and the passion of a dedicated team.